The Magical Fantastical Fridge. Story by Coben. Pictures by Aaliyah Tenera. And our dedication page on the opposite side. Walden, time to set the table for family dinner. Grandma and Pop-Pop are on their way. Aw, man, so many plates. All the aunts and uncles and cousins. Why do we have to do this every weekend? Walden, now please. I'm Walden the Bandit, and I don't set boring tables in boring houses. I need adventure. I want to be anywhere but here. I wish I could just... Whoa! Hey, let me go! What's happening to me? Where am I? Mom, Dad, wait! I'm in my own drawing. Hey, crayon monster, put away that sword. I drew you, remember? Stand back, crayon monster. If you come any closer, I'll use my trusty slice of pizza. I'm going to fight a monster with pizza. Uh-oh. I better find a way out of here. Wait! That plane! Whoa! Woohoo! Bye, crayon monster. Hey, it's that old picture of Grandma and Pop-Pop from before I was even born. Maybe, if I time it right and let go at the right second... I did it! Grandma, Pop-Pop, I'm so happy to see you. You're not gonna believe. Hey, what's with all the monkeys wearing sweaters? It's not that cold. Get these monkeys off of me. I'll see you guys later, like lots and lots of years later. The aquarium is where I want to be. Cannonball! Hi, fish. What are you thinking about? Did I just jump in here on purpose? Oh boy, anything is possible today. I can see everything. I can't hold my breath much longer. If you know a way out of here, let me know. You know. Excuse me, Mr. Pirate. Do you mind if I borrow your sword? I need air fast. Hey, it's my library card. I'm making the letter K. I wonder where this is going to take me. The library, of course. I go here with Grandma every Thursday. Let me climb up here and get a better look. Oh, fried chicken. Wait, what? I'm a chicken leg. Oh man, what if somebody gets hungry and eats me? I'd better hide, but where? Hold on, I know. See the invitation? Nobody can see me now. Spare time to strike up a party for Penny's bowling bash. Whoa, what's that rumbling sound? Feels like I'm in an earthquake. Don't use the ice machine, Mom. Crash. Oh no, I think I'm a pin in a strike. What's going on? This is shocking. The power is surging through me. Yikes! The static electricity is pulling me toward my sister Celeste. It's like a jungle of hair in here. Smells nice though. Don't tell her I said that. What's that noise? The game is on. Ah, I can hear it. Grandma, Pop-Pop, Cousin Eve, Celeste, Uncle Larry. Hello! Can anyone hear me? The refrigerator is fun, but I really miss my family. I want to go back home. But how? If I could just get the scissors from the coupon. Oh, on my way home, I'm almost free. Whoa. Okay, just like in gym class. Tuck, then roll, and crash. Hello, kitchen floor. Beautiful, wonderful kitchen floor. I love you, kitchen floor. Walden, where have you been? It was incredible, Dad. I was fighting the crayon monster with a pizza. And then I was swinging from an airplane. And then I was with Grandma and Pop Pop and the sweater monkeys. Whoa, what an imagination. You'd better wash up, son. It's time for dinner. First, I have to set the table, or Mom is going to freak. I'm back in the best place in the whole world, at home with my family.